I'm making this video for the consideration of those lawyers who are citing People versus Ularbe and People versus Rubio, citing that it is not unlawful aggression if you just place your hand in your pocket or you place it on a revolver. There is even one very, very prominent lawyer who stated that it is not unlawful aggression even if you're holding a gun, as long as you don't point it or you don't shoot or open fire. Well, I'm not interested, or I don't intend to argue with them because they're lawyers. They're respected lawyers. No, neither do I intend to argue with the Supreme Court. I'm not in the position to do that. But I do believe that if we read those decisions, we will see attending circumstances that made the Supreme Court decide that way. Well, now, a person is behind a barricade like this. He is defying orders of the police to drop to the ground. He was earlier reported to have harassed unarmed police trainees. And from backturn and hands raised, he faced the police like this, exactly like this, and argued with the police. And then took a step back and do something like this. We can see it very, very clearly in the video. He did something like this. Is this not a very dangerous situation? People are saying that there's a zipper. He's just opening his bag first. How do you know that there's a zipper? How do you know that it is not yet an open bag? What are we waiting for? The police will launch him? How can they do that with a barricade in between? Are they going to wait from this distance for the person to just do something like this? What do you think? Are you ready for that? So, I rest my case on that matter. Sa atin naman mga kababayan, kung kayo ay nasa ganung sitwasyon, sinabi ng pulis na taas ang kamay. Please, taas ang kamay. Napakadelikado po niyan. Baril yan eh. Or, kahit na wala kayong baril, wag na wag ibaba ang kamay at gagawin ganito. Bakit? Kasi ito ay napakadelikado na tingnan ng pulis. At talaga namang delikado eh. Bakit kamo? O tingnan mo lang, kung ganito lang ang posisyon ng tao na sa loob na ng kamay, nasa loob na ng bag ang kamay, eh ano ba ang pwede mangyari? Ilang segundo ba bago ikaw ay mabaril? Revolver, caliber 45. Revolver, caliber 38. Delikado po yun. Kaya, mag-ingat po tayo. Sumunod na lang sa batas, stay at home.